On 117 days still new hauling, fear and greed at 73, which is greed, kind of consolidating in the same area. Same as Bitcoin, kind of in the same, as always, area 61.5k. Trading in this 65 and 60k channel, which is a resistance support. On a 4-hour time frame, 50 MA is currently slightly below our trading candle, same as 200 MA, which is below. On a daily time frame, MA ribbon is below, 250 MA is below on a daily time frame. Volume is kind of average one, nothing special is happening on the volume. There's some curves on MACD from a red phase to the upside, but again nothing significant. Maybe if we're gonna break the 62.4k resistance on the daily, this small one, we may see the bigger reversal on MACD. Weekly time frame is still kind of looking bullish on the majority of indicators, except of the weird dojis that we are having the third in a row doji on a current candle, but it's just the beginning of the week, so again nothing special on this third candle to look at. And monthly candle, obviously in the previous month we had an all-time high close, but currently is always nothing special is happening except of MACD that is looking more and more bullish on a current candle and just in general on a monthly time frame. If you're gonna look at the stock to flow model by the plan B, we are slightly trading by below the 63k. Nothing significant, but again we got plenty of time, plenty of room to grow. But to be honest, it should be a pretty fast one if you're gonna have more days of a consolidation, because 98k would be 55% upside move from a 63 to the 98, so that's gonna be pretty, we need to have a pretty rapid growth, that's what I mean. Also Ethereum on its way to the new all-time high, but still kind of trading below, which is 4.4k roughly, 4.3k, somewhere in this area. BNB is kind of pumping, and BTC dominance is still in a slight downtrend, still trading in a downtrend. MACD still in a red phase on a BTC dominance, so there's that. So let's move on to the news. We got some news from Goldman Sachs. He predicts that Ethereum could hit $8,000 per Ethereum this year, so in the next 2 months, which means which definitely would push Bitcoin to the 100k. So that's a pretty bullish sentiment for the Ethereum. Also, there's still the insane amount of news around the Shiba and oracles, so we're gonna skip those. Also, Amazon seeks a specialist to develop Amazon's digital currency and blockchain strategy roadmap, which is pretty nice thing to have. Also, there was some biggest rug pull in the history of altcoins. Apparently, there was some Squid Game token, and recently they pulled the rug pull. They said that they are not interested in the project anymore, and obviously sold everything, and now it's trading at 0.00002 cents. So literally 99.99% drop. Pretty much the biggest one. Also, they got banned on Twitter, and yeah, there's that. Also, US Treasury report says stablecoins legislation is urgently needed, obviously to address risks. And what risks? Around the stablecoins or around the dollar? Who knows? Maybe both of them, maybe around the dollar, because of the amount of inflation we're getting. Also, top US banks offers a lot of jobs for the crypto talents. This report comes from LinkedIn, and they are saying that crypto related jobs are up more than 600% since the August of last year. Obviously it would be pretty obvious since we're getting the amount of growth that we had since the August of previous year. Bitcoin used to trade at 11,000 roughly. Yeah. Also, Genesis Digital Assets announces new data center in Texas, which is their mining center, and they're gonna have a capacity of 300 megawatts. So yeah, it's pretty much all news TA for today. Nothing special is happening. In a Bitcoin crypto world, we are having some small consolidation, some rug pulls in the shitcoins, but in general, nothing special. We're still in an uptrend, so hoping for the 65k breakout and obviously a new all-time high to the moon.